Hey there, thanks for joining me on my channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, I'll be doing two simple feed-in cornrows. However, I'll be showing you how I added some details in order to make it a little bit more fancy. So stay with me and I'll show you how it's done. First thing I did was section the hair into two halves. Then I started adding my little details. I must apologize for that big jump in the video. I wasn't aware when I was recording that my body was blocking the camera, and therefore I had to delete that section altogether. I am so sorry. But if you don't know how to do feed-in braids and you'd like to learn, you can leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll make a video for just that. Or you may go ahead as I did and watch some of the tutorials that are already on YouTube. At the end of the cornrow, I went ahead and added some hair wax in order to calm the flyaways and to make it a little more neater. I did not record the other side of the hair because I would have been repeating the same thing, well, not knowing that I had blocked the entire section. So, I do apologize again. Thanks again for watching. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Bye.